Many people feel stuck when it comes to working out because life just gets too busy. You might want to exercise regularly, but between work, family, and other responsibilities, it feels impossible to find time. Maybe you've tried to set aside an hour for the gym, but it just doesn't happen. That frustration of knowing you need to work out, but struggling to fit it in is something almost everyone has faced. What if I told you that you don't need to spend hours exercising to see real benefits? Imagine just 10 minutes a day making a difference. Let's explore how a simple, focused 10-minute workout can help you get moving, burn calories, and build strength without overwhelming your schedule. First, it's important to understand that workouts don't have to be long to be effective. Short bursts of exercise done with good form and moderate intensity can boost your energy and improve your fitness. Instead of thinking about long, complicated routines, you can focus on basic moves like squats, push-ups, or gentle jumping jacks. These simple exercises use your own body weight, so you don't need any equipment, and you can do them at home or anywhere. For example, try spending 2 minutes warming up by gently marching in place or doing arm circles. Then, spend the next 7 minutes rotating through a few exercises like bodyweight squats, wall push-ups, and standing knee lifts. Do each workout for about 30 seconds, then move quickly to the next one. Finish with 1 minute of slow stretching to cool down. This kind of routine keeps your heart rate up and works different muscle groups, all in just 10 minutes. A common mistake is rushing through exercises or using poor form, which can lead to injury or no improvement. So focus on doing each movement slowly and correctly rather than trying to rush or do too many reps. Quality over quantity is key. Even if you only do one set of each exercise, doing it right will help your body adapt and get stronger over time. The best part? This short workout can fit into any part of your day. Whether it's before breakfast, during a lunch break, or after dinner, you'll find 10 minutes that can be dedicated just to you. Consistency matters more than length. Doing a little every day beats doing a long session once in a while. To sum it up, if you're feeling overwhelmed by fitness, start small. 10 minutes is enough to create a habit that builds energy and strength while fitting into your busy life. No fancy equipment, no complicated moves. Just simple exercises done well. Try it today and see how these small steps can lead to big changes.